Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency. We specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And it's just a quick video to show you a helpful tip that you can take care of yourself to improve your rankings, or I can do it for you. But I searched what most people would search looking for roofing needs in Charleston. I searched we went over and searched Charleston Roofing. That would be the #1 keyword search. And on the first page, you see the map pack with some companies listed there. You probably recognize them. Here in the organic rankings, Charleston Roof, that's a directory, Baker Roofing, and Charleston Roof and Windows. Those are the top 3 search results that are getting 80% of all new searches. People are clicking on those 3 companies. So I'd like to try to get you there, or you can do some things yourself to get you on the first page, because where I found you was on page 3 down here at Harper Roofing. And so going to your site, aesthetically it looks really nice. Love the picture there. Colors really pop well. Looks clean. Got a review there that is good. One of the things that Google looks at, Google is all about trusting your site, and one of the things they look for first are your heading tags and your title tags. And in your heading tags, you've got best roofers in Charleston, which sounds really good. That would probably be a better secondary type heading, because what Charleston, like we said, we went and looked at Charleston Roofing, which is the #1 keyword search. So you want that to be congruent with your heading tag. So that could easily be changed, and then we can look at some of these other ones as well. But also in your title, it says Harper Roofing Charleston. You'd want that to be congruent also with what Google is looking for, which would be Charleston Roofing with your line. You don't want to separate, well, you can use hyphens, that's better than underscores, but you can use the line that goes up in a vertical line to separate, and then put, you can have up to 72 characters here. So you'd want to go Charleston Roofing, and then best roofers Charleston, or either your name of your company after Charleston Roofing. So that's something, just a quick tip of something that you can do. We do this for all kinds of companies all across the country, and just something again that you can do yourself. There's other things that factor into getting you ranked higher. That's just one quick tip. Content and backlinks and some other things that we can do to get you ranking really quick. I'm talking 30 to 60 days, which can double, triple your revenue. So if you want to do those things yourself, that would be good. I just want to provide that value to you. If you want us to take care of it, just reply to the email. Thank you.